Today, we're gonna attempt the Indian dessert, Jalebi. I did this video in Houston once, Cooking in America, and we're at a place called Raja Sweets. So they have this beautiful batter and they flip it in these huge woks. We're gonna use cast irons today. The batter goes in and you just swirl, 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 swirl. We're calling this Jalebi. There's about 20 other names for this depending on the country you're from. We can put those right here, right? Just list them because I can't memorize them all. Now I'm gonna start with the syrup because the thing is the syrup has to cool first, right? So I got a cup and a half of sugar, about 2/3 cup of water, a pinch of saffron. We also have a pinch of cardamom. And we're gonna let that all kind of come together and really create the syrup. So I wanna do this first because this needs time enough to cool. So we're gonna let that cool off to the side and we're gonna start our batter. We have two types of flour. We have chana dal and maida, but before we do that, we do need to bloom some yeast, right? And then we're gonna work it into this dough. There is a process, the actual longer process of this video is there's no yeast and it goes through a fermentation process. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna do that shorter version. We're gonna do the instant gratification version because this is the internet. Let's make jalebi. I got friends coming over in an hour. I don't have friends. So let's go back in. And I'm gonna mix in some sugar and turmeric. That's gonna give it a nice little color. And then I have a little bit of melted butter. You should probably be using ghee if you wanna be super traditional, but this is what was in the fridge. I got my yeast mixture. I'm gonna pour that in. I got the butter, which probably should be ghee. And I'm gonna mix it. Now, the reason why I'm doing this first is because we should be regulating the amount of water that we go in, right? So adding a little bit of water at a time, because you want it a little bit liquidy. If we're kind of going on that whole funnel cake thing, a little bit more liquidy than that. You want it to almost pour out of your piping bag. Now we gotta add it gently a little bit at a time. Trying for this right texture here. Some recipes call for a little bit of lemon. Let's taste that. Oh, now it's alive. India, master of flavors and film. If you're not up on your Bollywood, my God, you're missing a whole genre of amazing, amazing filmmaking. I'm putting enough in there for like one jalebi because that's how much confidence I have in myself. How thin do I go? I've never been so timid with a piping bag. Now I guess the key is to get it in the oil like the video, and their hands just kept moving and moving and moving, and I think it's really about commitment here and not being shy. Nope, that's not working at all. That's not working at all. You know what, this is a tester. This is to test to see if our syrup's good. So, you know what, that doesn't look half bad. Maybe it's a little dark. Maybe I didn't get it right away. Okay, crispy. We're gonna dip it in this. Okay, I'm there. I got the chew. I got the interior. Really? There should have been no huge surprise because these recipes exist everywhere. It's really about trying to get something pretty. What it looks like is I'm trying to do this beautiful flower design. I'm really trying to make it long from top to bottom, and it's not working. Okay. So I made what only can be best described as a design of some sort. Let's try this again. I have to thin out this dough a little bit. I'm gonna make you all proud, Raja Sweets. If they're even watching this video, that poor boy. Whoa, who's this guy? Okay, it's long now. Okay, look, for you guys, I'm getting there. See See, that's closer. Look at that. I got these little bubbles at the end though. I got 3 more bags. Maybe only 2 passes of batter. All right, I think I'm gonna go a little thinner. Hey, thinner was the key. Look, not quite there. Like I still have these things. And I think that's just the inconsistency in which I'm doing things. So this is getting better. Can you see this? That's not bad. This is a little undercooked. But that's, I'm getting there. I think we thinned the batter out a little bit. We got this a little bit hotter. We just need to keep rolling. 2 pastry bags left. Maybe a cup of batter left. Nope, nope, that's not it. Okay, I figured something out. The pressure in my hands also messed up. You see, I started getting it together there. I'm just gonna take this, I'm gonna take it off. This is not even worth it. It's not even worth it, this is embarrassment. I think what we're learning here is that anyone can make jalebi. What you can't do right away is make jalebi beautiful. Oh, I'm running out of batter though. I had it for a second. I ran out of batter. 2 seconds I had it right in there. You see that? You see that? That's not bad. That's not bad. I think I got too coy up front. I was doing it too, I should just whipped it wide the entire way. Just run with it. Wide, 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 wide. Then I would have had it. What did we learn? We learned you can find the flavor, but that's not the point. It's no Raja sweets. And that's probably a good thing. It's really trying to get the techniques that these guys have developed over a very long period of time. And those techniques are second to none. Yeah, you can make jalebi, but to make jalebi absolutely beautiful, you need a lot more time than we just had. So for more videos like this, to see if I win or lose, click here. I needed a bigger thing. I needed a bigger thing. Thai rolled ice cream.